and welcome to Northwest Off-Road, starting a new series in the R50 Pathfinder. I'm sitting in my 2004 Nissan Pathfinder right now. It's a great vehicle. It's the first vehicle I bought for off-roading. I still wheel it. It's my go-to vehicle for leading groups, and it's more capable than most. It has to be. As a leader, I definitely got to get around and be able to adjust the situation, and the Pathfinder fits the bill. It does all that stuff and better. It's my go-to. I love it. It's great. It's fun driving. It's very, very capable, very, very flexible. In this series, I'm going to go through modifications I've done, ones that are home or DIY type of projects, ones that were store-bought and installed. I'm going to go through it all. Front suspension, rear suspension, subframe drop, bumper, sliders, shocks, springs,
lucky,
lifts, tires, spacers, front bumper, lights, winches, light bars, and stuff underneath the hood, everything you could think of. I got a ham radio in here, I got a CB radio in here, I got a custom head unit that came with it, I got a mirror that's got 3 different cameras on it. All that I'm going to go through, how I installed it, what it took, do I like it, do I don't like it, all that's coming up. Here's a little bit of what to expect in this series. So stay tuned to this new series. You'll really like it. Nissan Pathfinder is a great vehicle. It's going to answer a lot of your questions. And if you don't have one, you may want to consider getting one. The very next video in this series will be front disconnecting sway bar links. Yes, I created them, I ran them, and they're fantastic. You're going to like it a lot. That video will come up very soon. Subscribe, like, stay tuned. Thanks for watching.